Climb up.
Get your father.
Climb up. Hole finder.
What's wrong, Chris?
She cleans my face. My butt crack. Oh God. Crazy.
Where's she at?
I don't know. She's on my butt. Oh gosh. The other one's on me.
Oh. Make it so you guys get a picture together.
Come on, girls. Up, up. They just walked in on each other.
And she was like, oh my God. Chris. She was on my head. Put your head there. Baby. This it's in Chris's crotch. Oh, you're gonna squish her.
She's on my butt.
Move your hand.
She's burrowing underneath my butt. If I sit, I'm gonna crush her.
Move your hand.
Get her out of there. That's unstable territory.
Move your hand. Move your hand.
Baby. Again. Oh no. She's found the way in. Please help me. Hey, don't bite me.
She bit you?
No. Stop it. Remove her from my rear, please. Just take her away. Take her away.
Don't move.
Take her away.
You're gonna squish her.
Where are you, baby?
She's behind you.
We can't make every annoying thing disappear.
No.
But we can eliminate deductibles. Nationwide
Whoa.
members who add
I don't think I got it.
Hey, you. Hey, you're the more not anally infatuated sugar guy, right?